Yeah, 101, Echo Alpha, ground point 7. It's 4258, Foxtrot Hotel, Echo Echo, to Echo Alpha.
Fox Hotel, Echo Echo, Echo Alpha.
American 2630, set up on a high speed, left on Foxtrot Alpha.
Left on Fox Alpha.
Wind 360 Atlanta. It's 4258, Echo Echo, Echo Alpha, to ground point 7.
Echo Echo, Echo Alpha, 27, AC 42.
American 2630, Foxtrot Hotel, Echo Echo.
Fox Hotel, Echo Echo, Echo 2630. Alright, 4112, right.
It's 4112, South, only 26 right, clip the land, wind 360 Atlanta. Scott 4506, turn left on Fox Alpha, follow the Airbus.
Fox Alpha, Airbus.
Wind 3608.
Tower for Jared 3631. Iowa. Right.
Cat 3631, Eastern Tower, only 26 right, clip the land, wind 3608, 57 in Bear.
6 right, clear line for Jared 3631.
Scott 4506, what's your gate number?
Alpha 10.
Gotcha. Scott 4506, turn left on Fox Alpha, follow the Airbus.
Fox Alpha, Airbus.
Wind 3608. Iowa. Shotcut 3631, Eastern Town on the 26 right, close to land, wind 3608, 517 in bearing.
Victory, cleared lane for Care 6631.
Scott 4506, what's your gate number?
Alpha 10.
Second. Shotcut 3630, tell us how far, Alpha.
Sorry, I showed the inbound of the that's the runway 63.
It's at 628, Eastern Town on the 26 right, close to land, wind 3608, 517 in bearing.
That's not there at all.
Shotcut 3630, Fox Hotel, Echo Echo.
Fox Hotel, Echo Echo, Breaker 3630.
3630, Echo Alpha, monitor ground, place 7. Contact ground, place 7.
Ground point 7 on Echo.
Scott 4506, monitor ground, place 7.
47, 47.
Scott 1434, still up on Fox and Alpha. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Houston, Texas. We're here at George Bush Intercontinental. The local time is now 1:33 p.m. We'll be taxiing for just a few minutes, so please remain seated until we're parked at the gate. The captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. And ladies and gentlemen, before leaving the aircraft, we ask that you look around your seat, check the seat back pocket in front of you to ensure that you do have all of your personal belongings. I realize that many of you are making connections here.
So 6286, final monitor, reduce speed to 170 or less.
Once you are inside the terminal, please
Going in also.
speak with the gate agent about your gate connections. We realize that some of you have very tight connections again. You can also check on the United app. That's where you can find the most up-to-date information on your flight status. And the monitors inside the terminal also will give you current and connecting gate information. If your flight has departed, rest assured that United is fully aware of your connection and your need to be rebooked, and you can just simply go to the customer service counter to get your new seat assignment for your new aircraft. On behalf of United Airlines, the Star Alliance Network, and our entire flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We hope that you've had a pleasant experience, and we look forward to seeing you the next time you fly the friendly skies of United Airlines. Happy holidays, everyone, and have a great week.
Shotcut 3630, Echo Echo, Echo Alpha, contact ground, place 7.
Echo Echo, Skull, Echo Alpha, and contact ground point 7 today, Breaker 6.
Shotcut 6207, still up on Fox and Alpha. Yes, it'll be a left turn. 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1434 Echo Alpha, Echo Alpha, and contact ground point 7.
Yeah, 1434, okay.
At 1434, using ground, November Bravo, hold short, Sierra Foxtrot.
Yeah, 1434, Wilson.
Skywest 4506, hold short of November Kilo.
Short November Kilo, Sky 45.
Stanza 440 Super, tell you what, behind the American Airbus, turn right November Kilo, and enter the north ramp.
Hotel Lufthansa 440 Super behind American via November Kilo and Northwest.
Target 9 Houston ground, where do you need to go? Target 9 heavy Houston ground, Sierra Foxtrot, hold short, November Bravo.